here with my friend Kristen, and we are cooking in the kitchen at Second Harvest Food Bank, and I'm excited to have you here again.
I love being here with you.
I know, it's so fun.
Enjoying all the beautiful things we make.
Love
this beautiful place.
I know, it's awesome, and you can hear some of the warehouse activity in the food bank going on right now, and here we are, gonna make some green beans, I see. Those are lovely.
So are you a green bean lover?
I am a green bean lover. We grow green beans in my backyard.
You are a green bean lover.
Yeah, I mean, because you can do so much with them.
Well, and this is the thing you have to think about. What does it look like? What does this green bean shape remind you of?
I don't know.
A fry?
A French fry?
A fry?
A fry?
We're gonna make green bean
really?
fries.
Okay.
So we're gonna take our green beans and we're gonna toss them and bread them with a bunch of different things and bake them crispy.
Yum.
And then you're gonna see how just utterly delicious it is. But we have to start with cleaning them. So we're just gonna trim off the ends.
Okay.
And then put them back in the bowl together.
I don't think I've ever had green bean fries before, so this will be fun.
It's just a neat way to mix up, like sometimes when my husband's grilling, if he's making the burgers, I'll make green bean fries, and my kids go bananas.
I bet. We're having fries with dinner.
Yeah, if you have a kid that's a reluctant green bean eater, this could be the way you win them over to Team Green Bean.
Okay.
So we have that done, and then we're gonna coat it with it goes pretty quick, but we have a few different steps to coat it, and one of them is that we're gonna crunch up our cornflakes.
Awesome.
So I'm just gonna put them in the bag and smash them.
Get out your aggression.
A little de-stressing while we're here. Again, this is a good kid job too.
Yeah.
Though we have had bags burst
Yes.
when the kids do it.
Yep.
Once the cornflakes are crushed, we pour them in a bowl with some Parmesan flakes. Kristen mixes them together while I beat 2 eggs.
Parmesan cheese,
Awesome.
the fresh green beans. It's gonna be so good. So while you keep stirring that one, I'm just gonna drizzle just about a tablespoon of olive oil on top of the beans.
Give our cornflakes something to stick to.
Yeah, so first we're gonna actually salt them
Okay.
to help make sure that every bite
Let's get in there.
is nice and savory. So we have some garlic salt.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top.
And I see over here we have some roasted garlic. What are we gonna do with that eventually?
So while our green beans cook, we're gonna make a dipping sauce for
Oh,
them
yum.
with the roasted garlic.
So not only are they green bean fries, we get to dip them in something delicious.
In garlic.
In garlic. Yes.
We finished prepping our beans by adding flour and our beaten eggs. After tossing it all together, our beans are ready for the cornflake
You
mixture.
can see they're all sticky, which is what we need to
Yes.
make it adhere. Ready? And just lightly toss them around a little bit.
Okay.
When the green beans are coated, we put them on a baking dish lined with parchment paper. Then we put our fries in the oven to start baking while we start to make our sauce.
So we're ready to make sauce.
Yes,
Our dipping sauce.
a garlic dipping sauce.
Garlicky dipping sauce.
We're just keeping it going with the garlic today.
Okay.
So we're
What's
gonna.
first?
We have some mayonnaise and sour cream, and I'll put the mayonnaise in here, and you can add the sour cream for us. Then we have Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper. Have you ever roasted garlic before? Do you do that?
You know, I have. I used to do it all the time, and then, long story short, I kind of ate too much of it. In one sitting. Because it was so good.
Kristen adds just the right amount of roasted garlic while I squeeze some lemons.
So when you roast garlic, it's so simple to do. And all you have to do is just cut off the top of it and drizzle like a teaspoon of olive oil on it, and then wrap it up in foil and pop it in the oven for like 45 minutes to an hour. That's it.
We then add my lemon juice and begin blending until we have a finished sauce.
And we're done. I'm gonna try some.
Yeah,
Here.
of course, of course.
Isn't that yummy?
Yeah,
It's almost like a creamy Caesar type taste to it.
it is.
Love
and
it.
it's not too overpowering. It's pretty bright.
Now we just have to wait for our green beans to come out and we can eat more of it.
Okay. I'll have some self-control. I promise.
Finally, we take the fries out of the oven and it's time for a taste test.
They're so flavorful. And they still have that fresh, yummy,
They really do. They keep their freshness.
maybe your next burger night. You can
I think it's a great idea.
entice your family with green bean fries.
Eat your vegetables, kids.
To get Kristen's recipe for green bean fries with roasted garlic dipping sauce, head over to wagrown.com.